Thanks for watching this ePropulsion tutorial video. To build a complete E-Series battery system, you need to know what accessories are available and how to use them correctly. Number 1. YType communication cable connector. Normally, there's only one communication port on an ePropulsion motor. When you connect both the E-Series battery and a controller to an ePropulsion motor, say an E80 battery, a side mount control, and a Navy 3.0 together, you need two communication ports. At this time, you could use this YType communication cable connector to convert one communication port into two ports, one for the side mount controller, the other for the E80 battery. Number 2. E-Series battery communication terminator. In a parallel connection, the CAN-in port must be connected to a communication terminator. If not, the parallel connected E-Series batteries will not operate. Number 3. E-Series battery remote switch. This allows the operator to power the E-Series battery on and off at the console or somewhere else away from the E-Series battery. It's 5 meters long and has an indicator light in the push button. This remote switch has a built-in communication terminator, so it saves you from purchasing a communication terminator when you connect E-Series batteries in parallel. Number 4. 5-meter communication cable. This communication cable connects an E-Series battery with your ePropulsion outboard or pod drive. It brings gauge accuracy and enables the motor to apply efficient operation strategy to the battery. Number 5. E-Series battery communication cable. This 1.5 meter communication cable can connect two E-Series batteries in a parallel connection. You cannot use E-Series batteries in parallel connection without connecting them with this communication cable. Number 6. E-Series battery communication extension cable. Here, we have a 2-meter extension cable in case the 1.5 meter E-Series battery communication cable is not long enough for your use. Number 7. Spirit external battery cable. Spirit 1.0 series features a single head power connector for user convenience. If you want to power Spirit 1.0 Plus and newer Spirit models with an E-Series battery, you can use this cable to convert the Spirit power connector to traditional 2-terminal connectors. Thanks for watching this ePropulsion tutorial video. If you need any support, feel free to contact us via Facebook Messenger by following the link in the description.